Hello my dear English learners, I welcome you all for this day 9 of our 100 days spoken English challenge. I hope that you all are doing great, and how is your English journey going? Are you practicing every single day? We have to manage our time. We all have the capacity to learn English. The problem is everybody facing we do not know how to study English, how to learn English, how to manage the time and how to follow the consistency. So that's why today in this video I'm gonna share you the evening routine to be fluent in English, especially to learn English. Actually, it's not only for become fluent in English, it's absolutely for to learn to study English. You have to know how to manage the time in order to learn any skills. Today in this video I am talking about the skills of communication, but you can apply this for anything. In previous video we have discussed about the morning routine for English. Once you wake up, what are the steps you have to follow in order to learn English to attain the fluency within 6 months. I have shared the complete roadmap, especially the morning routines, the powerful morning routines in my previous video. If you have not watched that video, you can watch it and I will give the link in my description box. So today in this video we are going to see about exactly my evening or night routine. You can call anything as like that. I usually follow evening. Sometimes if I do not find any time, any free time at evening, I usually follow that in night. So you can say it comes under evening or night time. What is the first step for your evening routine? The first one is no compromise, which is speak up. You have to speak up, which means practice. In morning session you can see that you are learning, you are giving some input for your subconscious mind or for your mind. But in evening time you have to give the output. What's the output is called? It's nothing but you have to speak up. You have to practice speaking. How can you do that? I know that every English learner, especially if you are a beginner, you are literally struggling to get the English environment. We do not get the English vicinity, right? Even I too faced, still now I have been facing. But when I was a beginner, I followed some amount of techniques in order to get the fluency. So I would like to share that techniques with you too. So let's see one by one, especially when it comes to the part of practice. Speaking practice. How could you do that? The first step is I can just suggest you, which is there is app called CV app, which means this application is used to practice English, to speak up with random co-learners all over the world exactly for 30 minutes every single day. It comes under a free trial. You can use this application and you can practice English for 30 minutes free talk time every single day. In case if you would like to practice unlimited calls or unlimited time, then only you have to purchase the subscription or you want to buy some money. But I just recommend you, if you are a beginner, you do not need to buy the subscription. You just try this 30 minutes free talk time every day. I would say that it is essential and it is enough for you. You do not need to buy the unlimited subscription, because when it comes to the part of beginning, we literally face to speak up, right? We struggle to speak up, express our thoughts. We do not have that much of confidence. So we have to work on that. So that's why I just recommend you to practice your 30 minutes free talk time in this application named called CV. Okay, it's not comes under a promotion video. I just used this application when I was a beginner. And next one is I used Ace Fluency application. Ace Fluency also comes under like a CV. Ace Fluency also a similar app to CV. You can also get 20 minutes to 30 minutes free talk time every single day. So you can also connect with random co-learners and you will practice your English every single day without fail. In case if you do not like to connect with real people, you are literally have the fear of expressing your thoughts, fear of speaking with the people, because you might think that if I make mistake, people will laugh at me. But people won't do that. In case if you have the fear of conscious to speak up, I'll just recommend you another AI called ChatGPT. Actually, ChatGPT is a beautiful application. So I can say it's really crucial for you. You can try this out. I'm using ChatGPT for every single day, especially when it comes to the part of special ChatGPT practice. You will get 10 minutes every day. You will get 10 minutes free talk time as an advanced level user. Like advanced ChatGPT user, you will get the blue image also. So you can use the 10 minutes advanced speaking up level. It will help you to be fluent in English. In case if you want a demo video how to use these kind of application from my site, miss, do let me know in my comment section. Definitely I'll make a separate clear and explanation video how to use these 3 application step by step from my side of demo part as well. Okay, next let's move on to the second step, what you should do, which is reading book. I know that many of the people would not like to read books. Even when I was a beginner, I hate to read books. But now I become a bookworm. I've been reading so many books. So you have to find out a niche, which part of the books you are like. You may like fiction, you may like non-fiction. It's up to your niche. You have to find out which part you like the most. Why am I recommending to you to read books? Especially when you read books, you have to focus on loud reading. You have to focus on loud reading. Here, whenever you try to read books, you have to read out loud. I'm just giving this technique, this method for you to habituate your jawline. English is not our native language, so we do not have of to speak English. So that's the problem. Whenever we try to speak up, we literally fumble a lot. You should want to be sound clear. For that you have to practice loud reading. I practiced a lot, guys. Oh my god, the power cut. So what can I do? I have to go for my college. So I want to give the conclusion for this video. Please adjust me. Literally I'm sweating, I'm sweltering here, but I want to complete this video. So you have to habituate your jawline. So for that you have to practice loud reading. Loud reading is such a crucial habit every English learner should need to follow. Okay, you have to follow that. And last but not the least is, it comes under a optional, which is writing journal before going to the bed. Writing journal means you can share the good things, whatever the things that happen in that particular day, or you can share about you can describe about your day, anything. You can write something before going to the bed. If you learn anything new at that particular day, you can mention in your diary or a journal. Just maintain a journal. It's going to be helpful for your mental health, and simultaneously it is going to helpful for your English improvement also. So these are the 3 steps that you should follow. So that's it, guys. So you can see we've completed morning routine and evening routine in these 2 videos. So if you focus in these 2 videos, you can rectify that. Okay. You can come to know about the LSRW techniques. We all know that these are the 4 aspects of learning English language. So you have to follow listening, speaking, reading, writing. So in between these 4 things, these 2 steps are really important. One is listening, another one is speaking. So personally, I give a lot of importance to listening and speaking. So I just recommend you to follow that. If you want to be fluent in English, if you do not find appropriate time or free time when it comes to the part of improving your English skill, just focus on these 2 steps. One is listening and speaking every single day without fail. You can see the improvement after 6 months, within a month also, but we are going to continue this journey, especially continue this challenge for next 5 months. So you have to practice it. Just experiment it by yourself. You can see the results also. Okay guys, that's it all about this video. I know that you will get lot of noise because I opened the door because power was cut. So I have to go to my college. It's already late. So I'll come up with another interesting video very soon. Till then you take care. See, the power also come. What can I do? Okay, I'll just end up this video because it's already late. I have to go to my college.